This is so much fun. And by the way, I'm not gonna teach you how to take it out. You go struggle yourself. That way you can see how fun it is. Okay, so we're gonna be taking the easy way out. We're gonna be spray painting a headliner. All the YouTube videos are, how do you remove a headliner? It's easy. Just remove this, that, and it's easy. But they never tell you how hard it really is to do. And right now, we're just removing the old material with the old glue. Since this car is a 2004 Mazda, this material basically has crust. It's all crusty and everything, so it comes out pretty easy. And all you need is a brush. Okay, so we're gonna be taking the easy way out. We're gonna be spray painting a headliner. This is a not bad for $17. All right, now the biggest struggle. How do I get that into this little car? Don't work when it's windy. Now this little hook needs to hook onto that. Let's put the connectors. Not bad. Then you attach all the annoying little components, like door handle, visor, the lights, another visor, and a light. Not bad. These handles are push tab for this Mazda. So all you have to do is make sure you push it in. Oh, did I record it right? Let's see. You push it in. Of course. Push in and then push tab. Push in and then push tab. And that's it. Looks good. Light. There's a connector. All you do is make sure you connect it right there, and then this just pushes in with the push tabs. That's it. Once it's connected, the whole thing just pushes up and connects, and That's it. On the visor, let's zoom out a little bit. These are just push tabs. So that's it. Just push. Overall, it's a win. Well, I didn't think I was gonna do a video today, but I ended up making one anyway. Today we changed the headliner on a 2004 Mazda 6. It was a tough job. I don't like doing it. I don't recommend it. But for $17, you can get the job done.